Hey, Gradelink has a lot of really cool report cards. And if you have a family who has not paid tuition, you may want to prevent them from accessing the report card. So I'll show you exactly how to do that step by step. First, I'm going to run a report card, and then I'm going to select a class. So I'm just going to do it by my attendance. Here we go. And I'm making a report card now for the whole school. And so here it is. So there's a separate one for each kid. And I'll press Publish Online. And now they're all there. If I want to remove a report card, I could do it two ways. One is I can go through here, and this is a list of report cards, and I can click the Remove button. So the first student is Gina. If I click Remove, it hides the report card from Gina's profile. And that's it. The second way I could do it, when I go to create a report card, instead of creating it, I did it by selecting the whole school. I could basically select everyone except for certain students, right? So if I want to add the report card for Gina back, I'm going to click in here, Gina, and run her report card, and then press Publish Online, and that causes it to return. So the manual process part of this is that you'd have to know which students didn't pay, and so that way you know which students to remove the report card. But everything else is completely automated.